Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 CLK 63 AMG Cabriolet. This one's pewter. Under the hood's a V8 pushing out 475 horsepower and 465 pounds of torque. This one comes with 5-spoke AMG 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got our 6.3 AMG badging. A tan interior. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. CLK 63 AMG badging. Power tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. We've got some seats in the back for the rear passengers. A nice wood trim. Our seat adjustments. Power windows. Hopping in here. We have our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Our AMG pedal shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Let's go ahead and give it a little rev and see what the V8 sounds like. Very nice. We've got heated and cooled seats. Our radio, dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. This CLK has only 4,526 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.